Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, April 21, 2020. It is it's 60 minutes away from the London Open, so the day is really about to get ramped up. We're going to fill you in on what happened yesterday and what we can expect today, and then we're going to take a look at the house board technicals and see where they are. So, starting off yesterday, we had Asia is reigniting its shutdowns. This could affect supply lines. Asia is a major manufacturer on this planet. And any shutdowns will affect supply chains and demand. Well, demand will remain steady in some areas, supply will get affected. Same goes with India as COVID is ramping up. They are also a large democracy, large consumer, large producer, and any lockdowns in India will affect the broader market. So do be on the lookout for that. Um, Recently, oil just pulled back from some highs. The UK jobless rate took a tumble, and dollar is just pittering around, but it's still bearish for the quarter. So, and today's on the lookout. We are looking out for, luckily, Chauvin was convicted, so we can expect the U.S. to feel some sense of relief and justice. Good job, guys. Way to go. You're stepping up. The Bank of Canada meets today. Very, very, very big meeting. We're looking to see what they plan to do with their balance sheet. So keep an eye on that. We will have that going live later on through the Discord. We COVID is again respiking. Be on the lookout for that. We also have the Russia and the Ukraine escalation. This is weighing on oil prices and will spill over into the broader market if it continues. Russia, back the fuck up. Thank you. So the U.S. is reissuing travel advisories in light of all of the COVID spikes across the world. So this will affect the airline industry, and the hospitality industry will experience some fluctuations due to this. And that's what we have on the fundamental side so far. There's a lot more going on, but I think this is what we should be focusing on today. So moving on to the calendar right away, we have the UK inflation coming out in about 40 minutes or so. It's expected to bump up from the two last reading. So we have a consensus that it's gonna be, well, actually, just did drop, didn't? Yeah. Oh my lord, I'm out of here. Yeah. So we just got a hit on it. It did fall below consensus 1 point. So it's a 0.7% reading on the inflation rate year over year for March. The next lookout, we have nothing up until at least 4 or 5 a.m. And then the big player is coming through at 8:30 a.m. New York, Canada inflation rate, BOC interest rate, the monetary policy, not the BOC, sorry, BOC monetary policy report. And then after that, we have the EIA crude stocks. So at 10:30 from the US. So pretty exciting morning. The rest of the day seems pretty chill. Now, on the technical side, we're going to take a quick look at the house board. It's not actually visible now. Why are you not visible? Give the people what they want. All right. So, on the house board, as you guys know, we manage two models. One is a trend model, one is a deviation model. The trend models are bullish, and the bullish calls that we had on deck are playing out perfectly. The Aussie antipodians and the Aussie and the Kiwi, the antipodians seem to be pulling back a little bit more. Looks like they could come back more on this model here. It seems like this model definitely got more space to come down before it tries to shoot up. But this 1 hour is looking like it's still in the range. The euro dollar 1 hour is trending up, and it just crossed resistance. It blasted above resistance from last month, and it's consolidating now before it's making its next up move according to this model. Same thing with the pound. The pound has blasted up above resistance, and it is about to consolidate and then possibly push up. That is according to the trend following model and what we have on there. Looking at the deviation models, yesterday I said that the antipodians were going outside of their channels to the top, and they were giving some sell signals. Those sell signals, sadly, the algorithm did not take them on my board here, but they would have proved positive have as price has already begun to pull down. So according to this model, the deviation model, if price touches the top channel and begins to open close under it, it's gonna head for the bottom channel, which is a pretty steep drop. So That's what we have on these deviation models. That's what we have on the fundamental side. It is going to be a wonderful day on planet Earth today. We called it. And I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Again, this is the Iron Abacus. We aim to keep you guys informed and entertained. So please do give a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a little comment for me. Let me know this helps somehow, and we'll keep them coming for you. Have a good one.